At Kate Somerville Goat's Milk Moisturizing Cream. I think I would have picked that if that was one of my choices. And I don't remember that being a choice because I love, love, love Kate Somerville products. Absolutely. Like her skincare is just amazing. I absolutely love it. Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Fab Fit Fun. This is the winter box. This box is so late. So it's like $50 a month. So there's a secret with Fab Fit Fun. Apparently, there's a secret. If you order extras, then your box is supposed to be one of the first couple of boxes that are shipped out. It's supposed to be like the first wave of boxes that is shipped out. I'm so sorry, you guys. I am wearing my glasses today and you can see the ring light reflection. I will try to keep my head tilted this way so that's not super bothersome to anybody. I've never recorded in the evening like this before with my ring light, so I had no idea that that would be a reflection. I'll try to be conscious of that. But so I order extras so I can get my box. Oh, that may not work for me. So that way I order extras. I always order at least one extra, and that way I can get my box early. I can open it for you guys. And so I'm not entirely sure why this box is so late, but it is so ridiculously late. So first, my extra. I bought this for you guys. I saw this, and now that I'm looking at it, I may not want to give it up. I will open it, we'll look at it. It's so pretty. But I actually saw this extra and I'm like, ooh, that's a really good highlighter palette to put in my upcoming giveaway. So I had you guys in mind when I bought this as an extra, but we will look at it together. So this is what the packaging looks like. And I'm not gonna swatch it just because, oh, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. I am not entirely sure. Does that smell? It has a little plastic piece in there that it won't fall out on. There we go. Okay, it doesn't smell. Oh, that is so pretty. Let's see if I can try to figure out. Look how gorgeous those are. Those are like, where can I, there we go. Those are, ooh, beautiful. So I may just have to be stingy and keep this for myself. Those are absolutely gorgeous. I don't want to stick my fingers in them just in case I decide to change my mind again. Those are super pretty. I mean, you know, when I looked at them, I'm like, ooh, those are pretty. I'll get those for my giveaway. But having them here in person, I don't think I'm capable of letting those go. I apologize in advance if you do not see this in your giveaway box if you win the giveaway. All right, let's get into Fab Fit Fun. I talked way too long about that. So this is a pretty... This is a pretty large box, and I still don't have down pat like my spacing here, but you do get a magazine, and in this magazine it does tell you what everything is worth. So pass this on to a friend who would love a Fab Fit Fun. Saved this for you. Take a moment for yourself. Get started with a $15 off your first box. That's a $200 value for $34.99. So I am going to put this code up here on the screen. If any of you are interested in grabbing yourself a Fab Fit Fun for the holidays, I'm almost positive if you order within the month, you will get this box. It'll be late. It'll probably be very late, but maybe you'll get the box. You guys know I am not a fan of HelloFresh at all. We went through a period of time where we tried these food boxes. We tried a bunch of them, and HelloFresh was absolutely the worst one. We got rotten food, and they didn't do anything about it. So there's that. All right. The first thing I am pulling up is Baddington lashes. Oh yeah, I picked this. I remember I picked this. So I picked this for 2 reasons. I'm glad it comes with lash glue. So that's what the lashes look like. Those are really pretty. So I'm going to hold on to these lashes because I picked these lashes in the thought process of I would like to try some lashes. But on the other side of that coin, I may just give up and put them in the giveaway. So there's that. But I don't know. I've never worn lashes before, and I think that I would like, no, I definitely would like to try them. I think that lashes look absolutely beautiful. I feel like I would struggle with putting them on. And if I struggle with something too hard, then I just give up. So there they are. Wow, that took a minute. Okay, so we've got 3B. The Baddington Lashes Monroe 3D Silk Lashes and Glue Kit retail for $32. So those are some expensive lashes. I'll just sip on my tea. It's not really tea, it's iced coffee. You get the point. The next thing I am pulling out here says, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. Original coffee scrub. Ooh. So it is a body scrub. Oh, if it smells like coffee, I bet that's lovely. Okay, so let's see. The coffee scrub retails for $16.95. So that is mine. The next thing I'm pulling out is this. It's a melt. So some sort of a lotion maybe. Beauty for Humanity. Squeeze out balm and massage into skin. Use as an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around eyes, on lips, and on dry patches. Okay. You know what? Let's see, does it have a safety seal? It does. All right, so I am not going to open that, but that sounds interesting. I will keep that. Oh, did I show you? That's what it looks like. I am not used to the ring light. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's see what that retails for. If you guys wonder why I don't wear my hair down more often, it's because my hair often ends up in my mouth. 4B. So it's pure Nilotica melt, and it retails for $28. And it says this 100% organic balm to oil deeply nourishes as it hydrates, brightens, and protects the skin. I think that would be something really nice to keep in my purse. So let's see, the next thing I am pulling out is Thirsty Hands Super Hydrating Hand Mask. So there is that, and I just got hand and feet mask in one of the other boxes I just recently opened. I don't know, I've got an influx of boxes lately, so I'm not entirely sure which one that is. But it's a Thirsty Hand Mask Duo, and it retails for $16. So I'm not going to pull this out of this, but it's a blanket. And it is Unhide for Love, Not Fur. And it's just a super, super furry, so I'm assuming faux fur blanket. And I'm keeping that, of course. I picked it because I wanted another blanket for downstairs. So let's see. The blanket retails for $65. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is the original makeup eraser. And I will gift this to one of you guys. I held on to one for a very, very long time, like a year, in its box. Never once took it out of its box. Never once used it, and I ended up putting it in a giveaway, and then I also had a mini eraser that I ended up putting in a giveaway, and so this will also go into a giveaway for you guys. Love, love, love to give back. And the makeup eraser retails for $20. The next thing I am pulling out is a Pep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler by Drybar. Oh, that's cool. Drybar is a really good brand. Let's see, says how to serve. Mist generously on damp hair and brush through before blow drying, or spray onto dry bangs, fringe, and re-blow it to freshen up your look. Okay, I mean, I'll definitely use that. I usually use just like a leave-in hair conditioner, and then I also have a dry shampoo by Drybar that I really like, so I will definitely keep that. Let's see. That retails for $23. And it looks like the last thing I am pulling out. Yep, this is the last thing, and I also picked these little fuzzy slippers. So I like to wear slippers, but because we have dogs, I don't like to wear slippers in the house, if that makes sense. But we also don't wear shoes in our home. So I'm always looking for a pair of slippers that I think that won't collect the dog hair that's in the house, but also have like a solid bottom like this. So I'm hoping that these will work out well for that. So I did pick those for that reason. Those retail for $45. That's a little crazy. But so that was winter's Fab Fit Fun. I do like this box. Had a lot of good things in it, you know. Some things I picked, so I knew they were gonna be good things. Other things that they picked for me, I'm not mad at. A couple of things will go in the giveaways, but I'm not mad at it. Cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.